Teron accorded warm welcome in Mahamaya, gears up for another victory. Former Karbianglong Autonomous Council EM visits flood-affected families. Speeding bike hits a woman, victim dies on spot. Good morning to Karbianglong Live, Voice of Karbianglong. You're watching English Prime Time with Margaret Terangpi. Now the news in details. The BJP Mahamaya constituency members had on Saturday given warm welcome to their candidate for the upcoming MSc election. After the names were finalized, the BJP party high command on Saturday night, the party supporters from Mahamaya were seen overjoyed as a favorite leader sitting MSc Lunsing Teron had been given yet another opportunity. The Mahamaya BJP Mandal Committee received Lunsing Teron at Parokhwa Gate and felicitated him. After that, Teron went to the Mahamaya temple and offered his prayers. During a short meeting organized at his own residence, Lunsing said that he will come out victorious yet another time with the support of his fellow BJP members. He announced that cash prizes will be given to those polling stations within Mahamaya where BJP will get the highest number of votes. Lunsing had thanked Assam Chief Minister, Karbianglong Autonomous Council CEM and all high-ranked officials of the BJP for showing faith on him. Above all, he had expressed his gratitude to the party workers of the constituency.
Pini nilap tiket ke longpon atumo bangal halo. Pini afang sini litum Mahamaya homosti Mandal Committee pen jenglok Mahamaya rat hoi nili. Pini ya litum kacing honai CEM Dr. Tuliram Rohang Sarhan Chorupik nai lapendela dak litum local MLA Dorsin Rohang Sarake hai mana Chorupik nai alang litum a recommend pensi pini ke nilitum thot ladak tiket kache longpon. Nasini ninga klong pen mo sekala longpon chiting ni ke lapen pini ladak litum bang bom pen pini tiket chevandet pen litum han welcome na kuri jituni lipan pini ha paroka pen jenglok ladak an ladak ni kaching sam kache theglong do sinon ke bangi Mahamaya homosti pen abang pen litum hai pon dek ko bangke pini ladak pensi litum ang theglong manglu.
Similarly, BJP Korkanti Mandal Committee also felicitated Raju Tiso, who had also got another chance to stand for the party from Korkanti. In the presence of thousands of his well-wishers, Tiso thanked the senior party leaders for giving him ticket. Samsing Ingti from Dongmuka, Karbianglong Live. Former Karbianglong EM Singh Teron had on Sunday visited the flood areas of Rongkhang. He talked to the victims and learned about their problems. The main purpose of the former EM's visit was, however, to convince the locals to cast their votes in favor of Congress in the upcoming election. During his interaction with the locals, Teron recounted about his achievements as the MSc from the constituency. Teron said that during his 10 years tenure as EM, he had given job to more than 300 persons from Rongkhang. As he is once again contesting in the election, he appealed the people to once again show belief on him. He promised to continue with his development works and service to the society once voted back to power.
Chukidam tang Congress inkan kep kachari nili EM gedolo. Radhan kelang. Khai pupe, hormo pupe pen ke gute, khai panda kelang pon, teng pulonte. Ni kanon pongke, aku asok kili gelong hadi, nili, kene nili pan, kene ajakong lah, people posi nili, rat Rongkhang rat pan chuni nili.
Singh Teron further said that people will vote Congress and make him win as they have no more trust on the BJP.
Nili ke thelo te garu pupe, khai chu pupe pin, le rabha ala buru pupe gute chu pupe pin pen, karbi ke dolo, asomai pen nili ontoto bang faru ke thomang ro pulir afan, ICDS worker pen chenglok nili help, kene helper pen chenglok ne bang faru thomang ro pulir afan ke nili dak kereng warsai ki, goreng warsai afan nili.
Vicky Bay from Dongkamukam, Karbi Anglong Live. Reckless driving had resulted in the death of a woman in Rechohidi under Bokolia police station in Karbi Anglong. Here is a report. The incident happened on Sunday evening. A 23-year-old boy named Rohit Chauhan hit a woman with his speeding bike, killing her on the spot. The perpetrator is resident of Mojuwer Basti in the Rechohidi locality. He was riding a bike bearing registration number AS09F9447. The victim was a 55-year-old Kadar Phangchupi. Local police was immediately informed of the incident and her body was taken to Difu Medical College and Hospital for post-mortem. Wilson Terang from Volongkomaji, Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.